Unique finding: a 52-year-old Dodge Charger with a rare engine. In one of the garages in Albuquerque, USA, they found a second-generation green Dodge Charger that came off a conveyor in 1968. The uniqueness of this discovery is added by the fact that the car is completely in a factory paint and has a rare engine under the hood. Dodge Charger is painted in a rare factory paint, which combines the main green color and black stripes across the rear of the body. Since 2003, the car has been kept motionless in a junk garage until it was discovered by a collector of American masks. The second-generation rear drive coupe is equipped with the rare engine modification, 6.3-liter V8, which produced 294 horsepower and 529 Nm of torque. Despite the fact that the Dodge was covered with a thick layer of dust when found, its wheels were flattened and the car was out of the way. According to the owner of the oil, in addition to the fuel pump, which requires replacement, all standard units of the Charger are in good condition. The second-generation Dodge Charger was produced from 1968 to 1970. The restyled Charger received a new hardtop body. In addition, the model was completely replaced by front optics. Instead of retractable headlights were installed static, which were equipped with covers and vacuum drive. The maximum speed of the oil can with this version of the engine was 183 km per hour, and up to 100 the vehicle could accelerate in 7.3 seconds. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing, and bye bye.